Okay, wait. The bike I'm not gonna park yet. I just checked in at the reception and ordered some food. Normal stuff lah. Some sodas and I go find for my room, man. I got M09, which is should be the one behind. But the one in front here lah. But I don't know whether maybe that one probably got better view. Yeah, I can see here M09 here in nature. Oh, this is much smaller as compared to the bigger bungalows here. It's very quiet. Oh, I see. It's just at this the lake area. I cannot see lah from here. I go inside the room and check it out. It looks like a pretty small room. It's about the same as the one at Betong. Okay, let's bring you for a tour, man. You have to do a deposit. My oops. Okay lah, was already unlocked lah. Okay, so you just put on the card. Show you the room a bit. It works. Alright. The key card's on and it's a pretty small room. I must say. They don't give you like desks and stuff. Guess it's normal for this type. And then this is the toilet area. There's me. Got the shower. Toilet bowl. Got TV. And got your fridge and got the view. You can sit here and lepak, guys. Alright. Wow, here so much more cooling, man. Guess from the wind of the lake. Alright, man. Time to chill out and relax. So that's a view of the Moon Lake here at Yala, man. Okay, guys, check out the view from my room area. Just at the lakeside, man. So nice. Now I'm just going to go get some food, man, for lunch. They're lucky in this there's a cafe there on the at this resort itself. So getting me a simple lah. I already ordered already. Just need to go there and then I can go makan there. Apparently cannot bring it to the room, which is wasted because I don't think anybody's gonna clear it. So I'm just gonna head over there and then get my lunch. Apparently there's this tentage kind of room also which overlooks the other side, the lake, which is opposite to the bungalows. So mine is not bad, like, at least mine is the one where facing the water side. As compared to the ones, this one is all the bigger one, I think. It's give you like parking space. You see all the tentages lah, huh? Before I go to my reception area, that's where I can go get the food.
thì đó